that sometimes feels hopeless, that even the seemingly intractable conflicts of this country can be solved if you just find
majority living amongst a majority. People are going to be curious, and you know what they say, curiosity kills the cat. And me being a colored person married into, and I got question of me, you know, where are you from, where are your parents from, you know, are you British, you know, I enjoy that, and I think a lot of people do.
Thank you, John Pierre Diaz. Interesting. So much we're learning here. Sajid Ansari in Rochdale says there is too much reaction about racism. My parents originate from Uganda.
Local to them. Now, the branches are closing a lot quicker than the alternatives that are being proposed. So with this idea of shared banking hubs, where basically the banks pool the costs, they have one premises for lots of banks, and 27 of those have been earmarked across the UK. Only 2 have opened. So you can see when we've got 2 of those opening and hundreds of branches closing, you can see why this concern has been raised.
There are different new banks you won't have heard of, not high street ones, banks like Monzo and Revolut, which are online accounts only. And then we will transfer a little bit of money into how easy it is to use online banking. I know things are changing, Jeremy, and I do get hugely frustrated with the people who are left behind here. You've got over 2 million over 70s who don't have a smartphone. By 2045, it's reckoned there's going to be over 3 million 85-year-olds plus living in the UK. And we need to not ignore the fact that there are people who might not use technology. But what staggers me the most is I live in one of those towns which is due to have one of these trial banks that we're talking about, that all using one location. The final branch of the main branches in the town is closing in this month. I've seen nothing in the town advertising chances for people in the town or the community to come and learn about online banking. These banks make a lot of money. It would be great as part of the legacy of closing branches, your check in our app, and it will be counted in the same way as processes a check. All of my concerns and need for going into the bank disappeared. I'm confident you're going to have listeners calling in now saying